Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Doing these 3 things will help us make more great videos for you.
Okay, so this video shows you what you need to do if your volume control just isn't working on your remote control of your Fire TV stick. Now what you need to do is go across to settings just over there on the right, then down to equipment control, middle button on the remote control. Go down to manage equipment, middle button. Okay, then go down to TV, middle button, and then we need to go to change TV, middle button. So it says here, change TV, guided setup will take 5 to 10 minutes. Well, hopefully it won't take that long. So press the up button once to go to change TV. Okay, and it says, please wait while we prepare your remote for setup. Shouldn't take 2 seconds, this bit. Okay, so it's come up and said, we've detected your TV is a Sony TV. Is this correct? If it is correct, say yes. If it's not correct, go to no, and then you'll have a list of manufacturers here. The most popular ones are at the top, and then if you go down, there you go, you've got even more manufacturers there. So find the manufacturer of your TV, and then once you've found it, select it. If you can't find it, then unfortunately it might be that your remote just won't work with your TV, in which case you could try going through the list and just trying each one just to see if any of them work. Even though this isn't the make of your TV, you might find a TV manufacturer that uses the same remote codes as you've got. And as you can see here, there is quite a comprehensive list of manufacturers there, absolutely loads of them. And if it's not working now, it might be worth coming back to this at a later date, because Amazon are always adding more manufacturers to this list. So you might find yours is there later on. But like I say, it might be worth trying one of the other ones or a few of the other ones to see if any of those work. So anyway, my TV is in the list. It's a Sony, so I've highlighted Sony, middle button on the remote control, and there you go. It says your Fire TV remote has been updated, so press on OK, and hopefully now the volume control should work. And there we go. It took a couple of seconds, but it's now working. So there you go. That is a guide on how you possibly might be able to get your volume controls working again from your Fire TV stick remote to control your TV's volume.
I hope you liked this video, and if you did, hit that like button. If you think your friends, your family or your work colleagues might like it, then don't forget to share this on your social media timelines. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you find out about all my latest videos the second they're released. Hit that subscribe button, then hit the bell, then hit all. You can also find me on Twitter at CWTech, and also find my website at cwtech.co.uk. Liking, sharing and subscribing really helps support this channel. Thank you very much.